Welcome to the channel Easy Geography. Today's video includes the questions from communication. First question, which of the following is considered as components of effective communication? A component of effective communication is options genuineness, empathy, respect, all the above. Communication needs all the above. Genuineness, empathy, respect, all these are needed for communication. So the answer is all the above. Second, teaching on TV is superior to classroom instruction because options, very large classrooms are made possible and thus it is economically advantageous. B, experts for teaching a difficult topic can be arranged and others can be benefited from them. C, teaching materials can be filmed for reuse. All the above. Answer option D. All these are the merits of teaching on TV. Next, which of the following is a function of mass media? Function of mass media. Options, to transmit culture, to formulate national policies, to help the judiciary to take its decisions, to establish share market. The function of media is to transmit culture. Option A. Next, visualization in the instructional process cannot increase interest and motivation, retention and adaptation, stress and boredom, curiosity and concentration. Visualization in the instructional process cannot increase the stress and boredom. It increases interest and motivation, retention and adaptation, curiosity and concentration. Not increases stress and boredom. Next, the dance of honeybee conveying to other bees where nectar will be found is an example of the communication between honeybees. Options, mass communication, group communication, intrapersonal communication, interpersonal communication. The group of honeybee communication is group communication. Which of the following skills has the largest share in communication time in schools or colleges? Options, listening, reading, writing, speaking. The communication time in schools and colleges are mainly listening. Next, assertion reason question. Assertion statement is, the initial message to students in the classroom by a teacher need not be critical to establish interactions later. Reason, more control over the communication process means more control over what the students are learning. Here the assertion statement, the initial message to students by the teacher is need not be critical to establish interactions later is a wrong statement because the initial message is very critical for the students for the later interaction. So the assertion statement is wrong. And the reason, more control over the communication process means more control over what the students are learning is a correct statement. More control means we can control the learning of students too. So the answer is option D. The assertion statement is false and the reason is true. Next, which of the following cannot be a good way of communication in promoting literacy among villagers? Demonstration, reading and writing, providing materials on TV and film projector, large group discussion. The demonstration, then providing material on TV and film projector, large group discussions are the good way of communication in promoting literacy among villages. But the note is reading and writing. Cannot. Good way is reading and writing. Listening is badly affected by message overload, excess of listened material, high speed of speaking, a sizable hearing loss or psychological problem, all the above. Listening is badly affected by all these. CHEER stands for CHEER. CHEER stands for Children Enrichment Education through Radio, Child Health Education, Electronic Recording, Children for Engineers and Energy Recruitment, none of the above. CHEER means Children Enrichment Education through Radio. CHEER full form is Children Enrichment Education through Radio. Thanks for watching friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.